In every Indian home, in every hospital, in moments when life hangs by a thin thread, one mantra is whispered with a trembling hope. Mahamrutyunjay mantra. We chant it beside an unconscious patient, during accidents, or when someone we love is fighting for life. And many people believe that this mantra helps us overcome death. But can death be overcome? The answer is no. Everyone born on this earth must return one day. Mrityunjaya means conqueror of death. Let us understand, what does Mrityunjay really mean? Death is not only the final moment when breath stops, but death visits us every single day. In fear, in anxiety, in negativity, and in helplessness. We die little by little every time we are afraid, every time we lose hope, every time we are stuck, bound, or broken. It is said that human beings die many more times out of fear than they die out of death itself. And that's where Mrityunjay mantra becomes powerful. Not because it stops death, but because it awakens life. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamrutat. We worship the three-eyed Lord Shiva, the one who sees past, present and future, the one whose grace spreads like fragrance and nourishes life from the inside out. Just as a ripe cucumber naturally detaches from its stem, may we be freed from the bondages of fear, suffering, and premature death. And may we move towards the nectar of peace, inner strength, and immortality of the spirit. This mantra does not mean, let me not die. It means, let me not die out of fear. Let me not be bound by anxiety. Let me not be held hostage by my mind. Free me from all the bondages that prevent me from truly living. Why is this mantra so powerful? It invokes Shiva, the transformer, not the destroyer. The mantra asks for inner transformation, not miracles. Sound vibrations activate nervous system. Words like Trayambakam, Sugandhim, Mitror, Mukshiya create a rhythmic vibration that calms the brain's fear centers. It strengthens emotional resilience. The more you chant, the more you grow fearless. It purifies the mind from negativity. It rewires the subconsciousness, replacing what if something goes wrong with I have the strength to face whatever comes. When to chant and how many times. Daily practice 3 repetitions for protection and grounding, 11 repetitions for health issues, 21 repetitions for mental clarity, and 108 repetitions, 1 mala, for deep peace and healing. The special times are Brahma Muhurta time between 4 to 6 am, before sleep if the mind is restless, in hospitals or critical situations, before major life decisions. But remember, no formal rules are needed. Sincere intention is more important than ritual. Let us understand what are the benefits of chanting this mantra for mind and psychology. This mantra reduces fear, anxiety, panic. It builds inner courage. It clears negativity and confusion. Improves breath and emotional stability. Helps release past trauma. Strengthens willpower. Gives deep, restful sleep. This mantra also helps growing your spiritual energy. It purifies the aura. It opens the heart and third eye chakra. It increases pranic flow. It helps overcome emotional suffering. It creates a protective energetic shield. It awakens inner faith, surrender and acceptance. This mantra works on vibrations, neural pathways, mind-body connection and breath rhythm. You don't have to believe in any deity. Chanting is just like tuning a musical instrument. Whether you believe in music or not, the vibration will still tune the strings. So, even an atheist can chant this mantra as a healing sound formula, a psychological anchor, or breathing meditation. Because this mantra asks for no rituals, only sincerity. The Mahamrutyunjay mantra does not conquer physical death, but it conquers something far more dangerous, the death that happens inside us every day. The death of hope, the death of courage, the death of peace. And when we rise above that inner death, we begin to truly live. So, whenever life shakes you, whenever fear grips your heart, close your eyes and chant the mantra. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamrutat. You may not change destiny, but you will definitely change yourself. So keep chanting and comment below if you have liked this information. And stay tuned for more informative videos. Thank you.